Welcome guys to Optimal FS. This is another power-packed strategy I am about to review to you. I mean a power-packed strategy. But before that, if you like my previous videos, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now, the strategy I'm about to show you is what will make you a lot of profit trading volatility 10 index. Now, the strategy I'm about to show you is applicable only on volatility 10 index at 15 minutes time frame. Do you understand? So this indicator you use here is envelopes. There is an indicator called envelopes, and that is the indicator we'll be using in this particular power packed strategy. Now, at the end of the video, I will show you the settings for this particular envelopes indicator. It is used in conjunction with what? ADX indicator as well. Now, this is how the strategy works. Whenever you see candlesticks crosses the green line of the envelopes indicator, and as well the ADS crosses each other at the same time, now you take your buy position here. Now you use the red indicator, the red line of the envelopes indicator as your stop loss. You set your stop loss here. That is when you are buying. You set your stop loss at the position of the red line of envelopes indicator. Do you understand? Now let's proceed. This is another opportunity for you to gain from the market. Here you see that the candlesticks crosses the red line of the envelopes indicator. Do you understand? And as well, the ADS crosses each other. So at this junction, you take a sell position. Set your stop loss at the position of what? The green line of envelopes indicator. That is when you are selling. Your stop loss should be at the position of the green line of envelopes indicator. So let's proceed, and this is enough gain for you. Now here is another opportunity to gain from the market. This is candlesticks crossing the green line of envelopes indicator, and the ADS also crosses. So you take a buy position here. Set your stop loss at the red line of envelopes indicator. That is where you set your stop loss, and this is a huge gain for you, as easy as that. Do you understand? So let's proceed. You see the market is still buying, so that's a lot of gain for you. Do you understand? So here is another opportunity to make excess gain from the market. You see it? So you take a sell position here. Your stop loss, set it to be here. Do you understand? When you are selling, use the position of the green line of ADS as your stop loss. Do you understand? So this is enough gain for you. Do you understand? So let's proceed. Now this is another opportunity for you to gain from the market. You see the candlesticks crossing the green line of envelopes indicator, and also here you see the crossing as well. So you take a buy position here, set your stop loss to be at the position of what red line of envelopes indicator. Do you understand? So you make your gain as easy as that, as easy as what, as that. So this is a as well another opportunity for you to make a huge gain from the market. This is the candlesticks crossing the green line of the envelopes indicator, and as well if you observe here there is also a crossing. So you take a buy position here, set your stop loss to be here. Do you understand? Set your stop loss to be there. So your gain is assured. Do you understand? See, the market is still buying, the market is still moving. This is excess gain. This is excess gain, guys. This is what excess gain for you. Now, this is another place for you to make it huge from the market. You see it? So you take your sell position here, set your stop loss to be here. Do you understand? That is where your stop loss should be, and make your gain. Now let me show you the settings of these indicators. The first indicator is envelopes. The envelopes, the period is what? Fifth. The deviation is 0.100. Method is simple. Apply to close. Now when you come to the style of the envelopes indicator, the upper band make the color to be green, and the lower band make the color to be red. Do you understand? Now choose the pixel to be 4. Set the pixel at 4 so that the line will be visible. Do you understand? Now the second indicator is average directional movement index. The period is 100. Style, the color of the style should be the same color as your screen background. Do you understand? So the plus di and minus di of the average directional movement index, the plus di, the color should be green, while the minus di, the color should be red. And also set the pixel at 4 each of them so that the color will be very clear. Do you understand? So that is all about the indicators. Do you understand? This is a power-packed strategy. Do you understand? So this